here in Las Vegas, and according to National Weather Service, the hottest recorded temperature was last year. Here in Las Vegas, we reached 120 degrees. Well, why not enjoy the summer heat here in Las Vegas and put a splash in your life when you buy a home with a pool? Imagine swimming in your private pool or just relaxing in your private spa in your private backyard at the Abrir Alta luxury home built by Blue Heron, a shoreline community at Lake Las Vegas. You can click on the link at the end of the video to take the entire home tour. Or how about taking a bigger splash in your luxurious life and live at Trace Luxury Home built by Blue Heron at the Valaris at the Island at Lake Las Vegas. Check out the private patio, the edgeless pool and spa, and of course, the dock with the water access. Wow! How about that splash in your life? Again, click on the link at the end of this video to check out the entire home tour. You can experience living at the lake, including taking scenic trails, outdoor and water activities. Now, here's something you need to know when you live in Las Vegas. According to the Las Vegas Valley Water District, the Las Vegas Valley gets about 90% of its water from Colorado River, which is facing the worst drought in the river basin's recorded history. The water level of Lake Mead, which serves as the source of most of our community's drinking water, has dropped more than 150 feet since January 2000. The Rocky Mountains have held below average snowfall for several years, decreasing the amount of runoff into the Colorado River. It would take many years of above normal runoff in the Rocky Mountains before Lake Mead's water level returns to the level before the drought began. As a result of the shortage conditions on the Colorado River, the Secretary of the Interior made the first ever shortage declaration in 2021, which reduced the amount of water available to Nevada and other water users in 2022. A Tier 2 shortage was declared for 2023 operations, further reducing the amount of water available to Nevada and other water users. With no end to the drought in sight, however, achieving further reductions in water use has taken a new sense of urgency for the Las Vegas community. So how does this affect swimming pools at residential homes? Well, new residential swimming pools and spas are limited to no more than 600 square feet of surface area per property. The update to the service rules only applies to new pools and spas at single-family residential properties. The average surface area of residential swimming pools in southern Nevada is about 475 square feet, and limiting new pools sizes prevents the proliferation of the large-scale, water-intensive residential swimming pools. For more information on water conservation, including pool safety tips, visit Las Vegas Valley Water District website. Alright, make sure you click on the link below and start looking homes with pools here in Las Vegas and start cooling off in the summer heat at home. I'm Robert Rito, a real estate agent, Better Life, brokered by eXp Realty here in Las Vegas, Nevada, your Las Vegas real estate agent guide. Until next time, stay cool, stay safe, stay awesome. And don't forget to check out one of my YouTube videos, Why You Should Hire a Buyer's Agent. Now, I'd like to hear from you. Make sure you comment below and click on the like button and share. And don't forget to click the subscribe button, that way you don't miss any other important videos I made for you. Level up, live it up, everyone!